Hello, everyone. I'm Oliver, and a warm welcome to Day 35 of the 50 Days Software Architecture class. In Day 34, we explored big data architecture with Hadoop and Spark. Today, we're diving into machine learning integration in software architecture for truly AI-driven features. Let's get started.
Let's begin Day 35 with a comprehensive welcome and roadmap. Today, we move beyond simply training models and focus on how to integrate machine learning into software architecture so that AI-driven features become first-class, reliable, and maintainable parts of your system. We'll explore the shift from experimental notebooks to production-grade architectures, covering model-serving strategies, feature stores, inference pipelines, monitoring, and the full MLOps lifecycle. The core goal is to design systems that can continuously deploy, monitor, and evolve ML models without breaking the rest of the application. This builds directly on Day 34's Big Data Foundation, Day 20's Cloud Native Infrastructure, Day 17's Reliability Engineering, and even Day 2's Solid Principles to keep AI components loosely coupled and evolvable.
This is where architecture meets real AI impact. Getting the integration right is what separates proof-of-concept demos from production AI systems that actually deliver value at scale.
Let's begin Day 35 with a comprehensive welcome and roadmap. Today, we move beyond simply training models and focus on how to integrate machine learning into software architecture so that AI-driven features become first-class, reliable, and maintainable parts of your system. We'll explore the shift from experimental notebooks to production-grade architectures, covering model-serving strategies, feature stores, inference pipelines, monitoring, and the full MLOps lifecycle. The core goal is to design systems that can continuously deploy, monitor, and evolve ML models without breaking the rest of the application. This builds directly on Day 34's Big Data Foundation, Day 20's Cloud Native Infrastructure, Day 17's Reliability Engineering, and even Day 2's Solid Principles to keep AI components loosely coupled and evolvable. From data to deployed intelligent features, you'll walk away with a complete blueprint. This concludes our complete blueprint for production AI architecture. Why integrate machine learning into software architecture? Because modern applications are increasingly AI-driven. Recommendations, fraud detection, predictive maintenance, personalization, and these features must be as reliable and scalable as any other component. Models are not static, they change frequently, so the architecture must support continuous training, deployment, and rollback. Data and concept drift can silently degrade performance, so monitoring and automated retraining become architectural requirements. Finally, cost, latency, and observability turn into first-class concerns when models run in production at scale. ML is no longer a science project, it's core production infrastructure. The core components of a mature ML architecture include a feature store that provides consistent point-in-time features for both training and serving, a model registry for versioning models and storing metadata, an inference service that handles online, batch, or edge inference with proper scaling and routing, and comprehensive monitoring and observability that tracks model performance, data drift, concept drift, latency, and business metrics in real time. These components form the backbone of any production AI system. Model serving patterns vary by use case. Batch inference runs periodic jobs on large datasets and is ideal for recommendations or reporting. Real-time online inference serves predictions via low-latency REST or gRPC endpoints and is used for fraud detection or chatbots. Edge inference runs models directly on devices or edge gateways for ultra-low latency, privacy, and offline capability. Many systems use hybrid serving that combines cloud power with edge intelligence. Choose the right serving pattern based on latency, cost, and privacy needs.
Feature stores have become a critical architectural component. They act as a centralized repository that provides consistent features for both training and serving. They maintain both online, low latency, and offline, batch stores to guarantee data consistency. The most important capability is point-in-time correct features that prevent training serving skew. Popular implementations include Feast, Tecton, and Hopsworks. Eliminates one of the biggest sources of ML bugs. MLOps pipelines bring DevOps practices to ML. They include continuous integration for data, code, and models, automated validation, canary releases, and safe rollback mechanisms. Model versioning and lineage tracking are essential. Modern MLOps integrates tightly with GitOps and infrastructure as code from day 19 for fully reproducible deployments. Turns ML from art into engineering. Monitoring ML systems goes far beyond traditional application monitoring. You need to track model accuracy, business KPIs, data drift, concept drift, latency, throughput, and resource consumption. Popular tools include Prometheus and Grafana for infrastructure, plus specialized platforms like YLabs, Arize, or Fiddler for ML-specific observability. Without monitoring, models silently degrade. Edge ML integration brings intelligence closer to the user. Models run directly on devices for better privacy, ultra-low latency, and offline capability. Techniques like quantization, pruning, and distillation optimize models for resource-constrained environments. Popular frameworks include TensorFlow Lite, ONNX Runtime, and Apple Core ML. Many systems use hybrid edge cloud architectures, where edge handles simple cases and cloud handles complex ones. Extends Day 33's edge computing into AI. Cloud-native ML serving typically uses Kubernetes-based solutions like Kserve or Selden Core for model deployment and auto-scaling. Many teams choose fully managed serverless options like AWS SageMaker or Google Vertex AI. Serving infrastructure must scale dynamically based on traffic and model load, while integrating seamlessly with the cloud-native patterns we covered on Day 20. Modern, elastic, and observable.
A/B testing and canary releases for models are essential. Techniques include shadow traffic, running new model in parallel without affecting users, champion challenger comparisons, and gradual rollout with real-time monitoring. Automated rollback triggers when performance or business metrics degrade. Decisions should ultimately be driven by business KPIs rather than just model accuracy. Safe experimentation at scale. Cost optimization in ML architecture includes model quantization and knowledge distillation to reduce compute requirements. Using spot instances and intelligent autoscaling can dramatically lower cloud bills. Catching frequent predictions and intelligent request batching reduce inference calls. Finally, choosing the right inference hardware, CPU, GPU, TPU, or specialized accelerators has a massive impact on cost. Sustainable AI at scale. When to build versus buy ML infrastructure. Build your own when you need full control, deep customization, or have strict compliance requirements. Buy managed services when you want faster time to market and less operational burden. Many teams choose a hybrid approach, self-managed training pipelines with managed serving platforms. Key decision factors include team expertise, expected scale, and regulatory constraints. Pragmatic architecture choice. Security and privacy in ML systems include data privacy techniques like differential privacy and compliance with GDPR from Day 41. Models themselves must be protected against adversarial attacks. Secure model serving includes proper authentication, encryption, and isolation. Full audit trails for training data and model lineage are increasingly required for compliance. Security must be designed into the ML lifecycle. Observability for AI systems goes beyond traditional metrics. You need to monitor model performance alongside business metrics, detect data and concept drift, and provide explainability for predictions. Distributed tracing for inference calls helps debug latency issues. Everything integrates with the observability stack we covered on Day 18. You can't improve what you can't observe.
Real-world ML architecture examples include large-scale recommendation systems at Netflix and Amazon, real-time fraud detection pipelines in finance, predictive maintenance systems built on top of IoT data from Day 33, and sophisticated personalization engines across e-commerce and media platforms. Lessons from production systems. Emerging trends include LLMOps for large language models and agentic AI systems. Federated learning enables privacy-preserving collaborative training. AutoML and foundation model integration are reducing the need for custom model training. We're seeing deep convergence between big data platforms from Day 34 and modern AI architectures. The future is already here. ML architecture best practices. Treat both models and data as first-class citizens in your codebase. Design systems to support continuous retraining and safe deployment. Build observability and governance from day one rather than bolting them on later. Start with simple serving patterns and gradually evolve toward full MLOps maturity. Sustainable, evolvable AI systems.
Recapping day 35, we explored how to integrate machine learning into software architecture for truly AI driven features.
Covered feature stores, model serving patterns, MLOps pipelines, observability, security, and emerging trends. The key takeaway: production-grade AI is not just about training models. It requires deliberate, intentional architecture that treats ML as a first-class, observable, and maintainable system component. Day 35 of the 50 Days Software Architecture class on YouTube. Moderated by Anastasia and Irene, today's focus is on machine learning integration in software architecture. How to design production-grade systems that seamlessly embed AI and ML models for intelligent, AI-driven features, while maintaining scalability, reliability, observability, and maintainability. The session is designed to run 18 to 22 minutes, with natural delivery and significantly expanded explanations, real-world patterns, architecture diagrams, and MLOps pipelines. We've organized it into 20 slides, each with 4 bullet points and much longer, more detailed conversational scripts to offer richer context, deep technical insights, and strategic guidance. To ensure more equal time distribution, Anastasia and Irene alternate leading sections more evenly. Anastasia handles the intro and core concepts in slides 1 to 5 and 11 to 15. Irene leads slides 6 to 10 and 16 to 18, covering MLOps and future trends, while slides 19 and 20 are shared for a full recap and closing. This builds on Day 34's Big Data Architecture, Day 20's Cloud Native, Day 17's Reliability, and aligns with Day 2's solid principles for designing evolvable AI systems. Pauses, transitions, and visuals, including ML serving diagrams and MLOps pipelines, will enhance the flow and aid in mastering ML integrated architecture. Day 36 covers architectural decision records, ADRs, for documenting choices in projects.
Homework: pick one AI-driven feature in an application you know and sketch how you would integrate the ML component architecturally. Questions from today? Drop them in the comments. We'll reply. Thanks so much for joining us. If this helped, give it a like, share with your network, and subscribe for the full series.
34 on big data architecture with Hadoop and Spark. We covered the 4 V's, core tools, modern patterns, and how to build scalable data platforms. If you're enjoying the series, please subscribe for daily lessons and support us on Buy Me a Coffee. Every contribution helps keep this high-quality content free and growing. Thank you for watching.